Don't build with any workflow app, and don't use those artificial intelligence coding applications until you hear this. The problem is most people rush to build the next big idea and application with artificial intelligence, and they end up with broken prototypes and months of wasted time. And that's because they skipped the thinking layer. Albert Einstein said that if I have 60 minutes to solve a problem, I would use 55 of those minutes to think about the problem and spend 5 minutes on the solution. So now imagine, instead of struggling, you could shortcut the learning curve and build smarter. You could build without hype, you can build real products, and you can build without doing copying and paste. And that is the reason why I'm going to share two artificial intelligence tools to you right now. One is leap.new, and that artificial intelligence tool, you can use leap.new to code, because this is the lovable and both killer. If you've been using no-code solutions like Lovable and Bolt, then you must immediately move to Leap and start using Leap to code, because it does this faster. You can deploy your application straight to Encore, straight to Amazon Web Service, and most of those broken links that you always have, you would not get it when you are using an application tool like Leap. Then the second tool you must know is the tool called string.com. This is the N8N and make.com killer. It helps you to automate workflows and build artificial intelligence agents by just using a command prompt. Just the same way you can use a command prompt to get results on ChatGPT, imagine building the type of artificial intelligence agent, automating the workflows of your company. Picture that there needs to be a writer that writes the copies and sends it to the graphics designer, and the graphics designer forwards it back to the digital marketer, and then it goes to the social media manager before they post. You can automate that workflow using this tool, and all you need to do is put a prompt and it will create that artificial intelligence agent for you. And it helps to speed up your journey. It saves your time. And one of the reason why I've gone ahead of my peers in this is because I've spent over 69,000 hours working on technologies of the future like this. I have courses on artificial intelligence. I have books on artificial intelligence. I have short educational clips across the internet on artificial intelligence, and they can quickly give you clarity and step-by-step process. I've been there. I've wasted years trying to get products working. I've wasted months. I've also tried to use brute force, sleepless nights to build artificial intelligence app, but they were not working. Just when I started using these artificial intelligence tools that I shared to you now, it changed everything. And as soon as it changed everything, I went from a struggling builder to a global teacher of students that now build their own products. You know, there's an adage that says that The people who are crazy enough to think that they will change the world, those are the ones who actually do. That's from a very great innovator mentor friend of mine. And I believe that adage, and it has changed my own journey. So before you build that next big app, pause, learn first, and then build smarter. Use these tools to 10x the speed at which you are building and bring down the cost by 7x. Until next time, see you.